In this video, I want to talk about how you can cash out from Trust Wallet to your bank account. Now, there is no official way to cash out directly from Trust Wallet, but what you can do is you can use one of the big exchanges like Binance, and once you have an account on there, go to Binance and press deposit. Inside of there, you will be able to go to Trust Wallet, send your crypto, so press send, select the crypto you want to send, and then you want to send it to your Binance account. Now, once you've done that on Binance, you will be able to sell it, and then you can cash out to your bank account. So you cannot do it directly from Trust Wallet, but you can send your crypto from here to one of the big exchanges, and then you can sell it on there. So that is currently the only way to do this as of this date. It might change in the future, but that's how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.